Hi, this is Shazim from Shazim Tricks. I am going to show you now within 30 seconds remove watermark in Photoshop. So let's get started. After open your image, then select quick selection tool or magic wand tool. I am selecting the quick selection tool. Select the watermark text area. Hold press Alt key and decrease the selection, and hold press Shift key and click to increase selection. After selecting the watermark text, then go to select, then modify, then expand. Expand by 2 or 3 pixels, then click on the OK. The selection is expand. And now this is most important, go to edit, then content our fill. If you used old Photoshop version, so you will select fill. If you are using to new Photoshop version, so you will get content our fill. So selecting the content our fill, and boom, see the magic, it will automatically remove the watermark text. Here color adoption default and rotation adoption none, and selecting area option auto, and here output must be select to new layer, and just apply, then OK. Control D for deselect. That is the before and that is the after. If you need to any modify your background, so you will select the clone stem tool and take a sample of the background. Hold press Alt key, select the sample current and flow 25%. Take a sample by holding press Alt key and just paste the area where you need to modify and where you need to remove and match the background. If you like this video, so subscribe my channel for more updates and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.